look at this windshield. The damage is quite extensive.
This is the full amount we discussed. I trust you'll handle the situation discreetly.
You have nothing to worry about.
Use this wisely.
I will, thank you.
Torque looks good on this end. Go ahead and secure it. All right, locking it down now.
That looks great, man. Fits perfectly now.
Watch that connection right there, make sure it's seated.
Yeah, I got it. Tightening it up now.
Make sure you get that flange bolt tight. Yeah, I got it. Pass me the torque wrench when you're ready.
Bring it down just a hair.
Okay, holding it steady, tightening the top bolt now.
Okay, that red one goes into the third slot.
Got it. And the ground wire.
Attach it right there to the chassis.
That orange paintwork is absolutely flawless.
Yeah. It's in mint condition, barely driven. Shall we take a look inside?
I have to say, this is in incredible condition, much better than the others I've seen.
It's a pristine example. This switch activates the sport mode suspension settings. And the navigation screen is updated, I assume?
Yes, it has the latest software integration.
Does the warranty transfer? The acceleration is incredibly smooth once we hit the open road. You can really feel the horsepower. Yeah, it handles great.
Congratulations on the new Ferrari, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it. She's a beauty.
The handling dynamics are unmatched thanks to this precise engine setup. It's a masterpiece.
That explains the performance specs.
Yeah.
Truly impressive engineering.
The handling dynamics are unmatched thanks to this precise engine setup. It's a masterpiece.
That explains the performance specs.
Yeah.
Truly impressive engineering.
The integrated navigation and entertainment system is state of the art.
The interior is absolutely stunning. I'm ready to go.
Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. There we go, all signed. Congratulations on the Ferrari. Enjoy it. $46,000.
Yes! We did it, man. We absolutely crushed it.